Good morning, my dear student. How are you? Today we will make a revision about lesson 1, unit 3, distance between 2 points in coordinate plane. Before starting anything about the distance, you must remember that any point we determine by two coordinates. First one, we name it x coordinate. That's about horizontal axis, and y coordinate about vertical axis. Now we will talk about the distance between 2 points. If we want to find the distance between 2 points like A and B, we use the following formula. The formula is AB equal absolute value B minus A or absolute value A minus B. So we have two cases in this case. The first one, if these 2 points are vertical, that's meaning if the x coordinates are equal, so we use the y coordinates by subtracting them. Okay, if we have this question, example, a equal to and 4, b equal to and negative 3. Now we must remember how to represent this point in the coordinate plane. Firstly, we will determine a 2 and 4, 2 x, that's x coordinate, and that's x axis, and this y axis. Now we will look at x coordinate in x axis 2 and 4, 2 and go up opposite 4. So this point is A. B 2 and negative 3. Yes, it's the same. 2x 2 and negative 3 go down opposite 3. If you look, these 2 points are vertical. Why? Because the two x coordinates are equal. What are you doing in this case? You can find the distance between them by counting the squares between them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the distance between A and B equals 7 units. Can we make it by using a formula? Yes. Right? Absolute value B minus A. Next we will substitute absolute value. What are you doing? We will subtracting the y coordinates. Why? Because x coordinates are equal. Okay, you said B minus A. B equal negative 3 minus A here equal 4. Now that's equal negative 3, negative 4 equal negative 7. Two similar sign, put the same sign there. Add equal absolute value for 7 equal 7 units. So they are equal. You can use the coordinate to find the distance between them, or use this formula to find the distance between them. Okay, what about the next case? The 2 points are horizontal if the y coordinates are equal. So we use the x coordinate by subtracting them. So if the y coordinates are equal, that's meaning they are horizontal. Like the following question: C equals 3 and 5, D equals 6 and 5. Yes, we look, the y coordinates are equal, so they must be horizontal. Can we prove that? Yes. Can you determine this point? Yes. 3 and 5. Yes, go to 3, then go to up to opposite 5. That's point C. D 6 and 5. 6 and go to up 5. D, the distance between them 1, 2, 3 units. Can we prove this by using the formula? Yes. Absolute value D minus C or C minus D, it's the same, equal. Substitute, you will subtract the x coordinates 3 or 6 minus 3, 6 minus 3. That's equal absolute value 6 minus 3 equal 3. Absolute value for 3 equal 3 units. It's the same way. Now we will take some questions about this part. Okay, that's good. First question asked me to locate the points A equal 2 and 3, negative 3, sorry, B equal 5 and negative 3, and C equal 2 and 0. Okay, we must locate them firstly, 2 and negative 3. Yes, 2 and go to up negative 3, sorry, go to down opposite negative 3 and name it equal A. B 5 and negative 3, B equal 5 and negative 3. Yes, sorry, here, I'm sorry. B. C equal 2 and 0, 2 and 0 in its place. Now he asked me to find the distance between AB, yes, A, B. Can you use the formula, the previous formula, to find the distance? Yes, we can. Absolute value for b minus a, or a minus b. Okay, I will change the question. We will use another formula to find AC. Yes, if you look at A and B, they have the same y coordinates, so they must be horizontal. Yes, they are horizontal. What are you doing? You will subtracting the x coordinates. Yes, 5 minus 2, that's equal absolute value 5 minus 2 equal absolute value for 3 equal 3 units. Yes, can you make sure it? 1, 2, 3, that's right. AC, yes, you can. Absolute value C minus A, or A minus C. I will use A minus C, there is no problem. Okay, look at A and C. They have the same x coordinates, so they must be vertical. So we will subtracting the coordinates, y coordinates. Okay. Negative 3, negative 0, absolute value for negative 3 equal 3 units. Yes, we can make sure it. 1, 2, 3. So the distance between AC equal 3 units. Okay, the next question. Determine the position of the following points A equal negative 4 and 4, B equal 2 and negative 4, C equal 2 and 2, D equal negative 4 and 2. Okay, we must determine the points first. Negative 4 and 4. Yes, negative 4 and go to up opposite negative 4. It's name A. B 2 and negative 4. 2 and go down. Sorry, that's point. Sorry. Yes, we are right. 2 and negative 4 go down. 2 and negative 4. B. C equal 2 and 2. 2 and 2. D negative 4 and 2. Negative 4 and 2. Okay. Okay, question number 2. Determine the position of the following points of the following. Point A equal negative 4 and 4, B equal 2 and 4, C equal 2 and 2, and D equal negative 4 and 2. Now you can determine the points because you have x and y coordinates. Negative 4 and 4, yes, we go to negative 4, then go up to negative 4. That's point equal A, name it. B equal 2 and 4, 2 and go up to 4, B. C equal 2 and 2, C equal 2 and 2, D equal negative 4 and 2, okay. Now we can match this by using ruler, okay, shape. Now he asked me to name the shape. The shape is rectangle. Then find the perimeter and the area of the shape ABCD. No problem. To find the perimeter or area of this rectangle, you must find its length and width. Length here equal AB equal absolute value B minus A. Now you can substitute. You must look at A and B. They have the two y coordinates. We will subtracting the x coordinates. Okay, 2 negative in the formula, negative 4. So that's equal absolute value 4. 2 negative 4 equal positive 4. That's equal absolute value 4, 6. That's equal 6 units. What's equal BC? Equal absolute value C minus B. Substitute. C and D. They have two y coordinates, so we will subtract them. Sorry, we have to find BC. BC. They have two x coordinates, we will subtracting y coordinates. 4 minus 2 or 2 minus 4 is the same. Absolute value 4 minus 2 equal 2 units. Now you can find its area equal length by width. Length equal 6 by width equal 2. 2 by 6 equal 12 centimeter square or units square. Perimeter equal length plus width by 2. Substitute 6 plus 2 by 2. 6 plus 2 equal 8. 8 by 2 equal 16 centimeter. Okay, that's the last question. We will answer it. In the opposite figure, we have coordinate plane. MNOP is a rectangle. Find the coordinates of the points. Okay, firstly asked me to find the coordinate of point M. Okay, what are you doing? We will go to x-axis, then go to y-axis. If we go to x-axis, we will write this point in x coordinate. Go to x-axis, we find -3. Go to y-axis, we find 4. N, it's the same way. Go down to x-axis, 5. Go to left to y-axis, we find 4. O, yes, go up to x-axis, 5. Go to left to y-axis, we find the -2. P, go up to find -3. Go right to find -2. We determine the points that represent the rectangle. The first question finds the length of MN. MN, we said absolute value, write the formula n minus m or m minus n, it's the same. Look at m and m, they have the same y coordinate. Okay, we will subtract x coordinates. 5 minus in the formula -3. That's equal absolute value 5 negative equal positive 3. We multiply the two signs. 5 negative 3 equal 5 positive 3 equal absolute value for 5 negative 3 equal absolute value for 8 equal 8 units. You can make sure from the coordinate like this. MN, yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. NO, yes, look at NO, 5 4 5 and -2, they have the same x coordinate. We will subtract the y coordinates. Write the formula O minus n, -4, negative minus 4 equal absolute value for -6. That's equal 6 units. OB, they have the same y coordinates. We will subtracting the x coordinates. Absolute value, so for MB minus O equal absolute value for B, -3, -5 equal absolute value for -8. That's equal absolute value for, yes, I'm sorry, equal 8 units. MB, they have the same x coordinates. We will subtracting the y coordinates. Equal B minus LM equal absolute value for B -2, M -4, but we have minus in the formula, equal absolute value for -6. That's equal 6 units also. He asked me to find the area of this rectangle. Yes, we know the area of rectangle. Rectangle equal length by width equal m on m n multiply NO. Yes, we can substitute mn, we find it before 8 units by NO, you find it before 6 units. 8 by 6 equal 48 centimeter square. What about if he asked me to find the perimeter P of rectangle? length plus width by 2, you can substitute from the previous unit. mn length plus 6 by 2, it's the same. 8 plus 6 equal 14 by 2. 14 by 2 equal 28 centimeters, just only because it's perimeter. Okay, that's our lesson. I think there is no problem in this part. Goodbye. If you want ask about anything, you can send me. Goodbye.